1. 1941 Plymouth truck. Price, $28,000. Located Rich Hill, Missouri. The 1941 Plymouth truck is a unique custom-built classic that combines vintage styling with impressive modern performance upgrades. This eye-catching pickup features a striking red exterior that immediately stands out wherever it goes. Powered by a strong 440 cubic inch V8 engine, the truck delivers exceptional power and performance, enhanced by a performance camshaft, headers, and a 750 brawler carburetor. The result is a vehicle that is both fast and loud, making it an exciting choice for classic truck enthusiasts. This custom Plymouth has been driven approximately 500 miles since completion and is equipped with an automatic transmission for a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. Performance upgrades include a triangular 4-link rear suspension system, rear track bars, front disc brakes, and suicide doors that add a distinctive hot rod appearance. The seller reports that the body is completely free of rust, making this truck an excellent foundation for continued enjoyment or show appearances. With its combination of classic 1940s styling, modern performance components, and solid rust-free condition, this Plymouth truck offers a rare opportunity to own a truly unique American custom classic. Cash sale only, with pickup available in Rich Hill, Missouri. 2. 1923 T sale or trade with Hemi. Price, $22,000. Located Shoto, Oklahoma. This 1923 T hot rod is a powerful custom-built machine that blends classic styling with legendary American performance. Featuring a lightweight fiberglass body entitled as a 1934 Chevrolet, this unique street rod delivers an aggressive driving experience backed by a freshly rebuilt 1956 Chrysler 354 Hemi engine. The engine has been upgraded with an Isky solid roller camshaft and adjustable rocker arms, creating a strong combination that offers impressive horsepower and excellent throttle response. Power is transferred through a turbo 400 automatic transmission equipped with an aftermarket bell housing and a 10-inch converter, making this hot rod capable of handling the Hemi's performance with ease. The vehicle runs exceptionally well and has been carefully assembled to provide reliability along with classic hot rod character. The exterior presents the unmistakable look of an early Ford-inspired street machine, while the drivetrain provides modern performance that enthusiasts appreciate. This vehicle would make an excellent addition to any collection or weekend cruiser lineup. The owner is also open to trades involving a fastback Mustang, Mopar muscle car, Chevelle, Camaro, or other interesting performance vehicles. A rare opportunity to own a Hemi-powered custom hot rod that is ready to enjoy. 3. 1928 Ford GT Coupe 2D. Price, $20,000. Located Dixon, Missouri. This 1928 Ford GT Coupe 2D is a well-built rat rod that combines vintage Ford styling with dependable V8 performance. Finished in black with a silver interior, this custom coupe offers a distinctive appearance that captures attention at local cruise nights, car shows, and weekend gatherings. With approximately 7,600 miles on the build, the vehicle has been enjoyed while remaining in solid condition. Under the hood sits a proven Ford 302 V8 engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission. This combination is known for reliability, simplicity, and strong performance, making the car enjoyable to drive both around town and on longer trips. The engine delivers excellent power while maintaining the classic hot rod personality enthusiasts expect. The interior includes modern conveniences such as power windows and an installed radio, providing additional comfort compared to many traditional hot rods. The overall build reflects the spirit of classic American customization while remaining practical enough for regular driving. Whether you are looking for a unique street rod, a dependable weekend cruiser, or a conversation piece for local events, this 1928 Ford GT Coupe offers style, performance, and character in one attractive package. It is a classic rat rod that is ready to hit the road and be enjoyed by its next owner. 4. 1932 Custom-built 29/32 hot rod. Price, $15,000. Located Sand Springs, Oklahoma. This 1932 custom-built 29/32 hot rod is a striking example of traditional American hot rod craftsmanship. Built using a unique combination of classic styling cues, this custom machine has been carefully assembled to create a vehicle that delivers both impressive performance and unforgettable visual appeal. The car features custom paintwork, a professionally finished custom interior, and numerous personalized details that set it apart from ordinary street rods. Designed with performance in mind, this hot rod offers plenty of power and an exciting driving experience. The seller describes it as having more performance than most drivers expect, making it a thrilling vehicle for anyone who enjoys classic American horsepower. The engine responds quickly, the exhaust note has a deep rumble, and the overall driving character captures everything enthusiasts love about traditional hot rods. The vehicle presents exceptionally well and remains in excellent condition throughout. Whether parked at a local car show or cruising down the highway, it attracts attention wherever it goes. Its unique styling, custom craftsmanship, and strong performance make it an excellent choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. This custom-built hot rod offers a memorable driving experience and represents an affordable opportunity to own a handcrafted American classic that stands out from the crowd. 5. 1933 Plymouth Coupe Hot Rod. Price, $15,000. Located Irvington, Kentucky. This 1933 Plymouth Coupe Hot Rod is a true old-school street machine that combines classic pre-war styling with legendary Hemi performance. Built from an original steel-bodied Plymouth Coupe, this unique hot rod carries decades of hot rodding history and still delivers the aggressive personality enthusiasts love. Under the hood sits a mildly built 331 Hemi V8 engine paired with a dependable 727 automatic transmission, creating a combination known for both power and reliability. The vehicle starts easily, runs strong, shifts smoothly, and stops properly. Originally transformed from an old drag racing car, the coupe has evolved through several different stages over the years, giving it a distinctive character that cannot be duplicated. The car features an Oldsmobile and Pontiac rear-end combination along with a traditional hot rod stance that commands attention. Its appearance is loud, bold, and unmistakably vintage. The interior is very basic and would benefit from additional finishing work, while some minor improvements are recommended before long-distance driving. Despite that, the vehicle remains a highly desirable project for someone wanting an authentic Hemi-powered hot rod. With an original steel body, title in hand, and unmistakable show presence, this Plymouth offers an affordable opportunity to own a classic American hot rod with genuine history and serious personality. 6. 1931 Dodge 3-Window Coupe. Price, $4,250. Located Central, Iowa. This 1931 Dodge 3-Window Coupe presents an excellent opportunity for classic car enthusiasts looking for a rewarding restoration project. Featuring the iconic styling that made early Dodge coupes popular among collectors, this vehicle offers a solid foundation for someone interested in bringing a vintage American automobile back to life. The car has undergone an older restoration and now awaits the finishing touches needed to complete the project. The coupe retains its traditional body lines and classic proportions that define automobiles from the early 1930s. While the vehicle does have rust that will require attention, it includes several valuable components that help simplify the restoration process. A new radiator has already been installed, saving both time and expense for the next owner. One of the most important features is that the vehicle comes with a title, providing additional peace of mind for future registration and ownership. The project is suitable for hobbyists who appreciate the craftsmanship of early American automobiles and are looking for a unique restoration challenge. Whether restored to original specifications or transformed into a custom hot rod, this Dodge Coupe offers tremendous potential. Its affordable price point and classic styling make it an attractive entry into the world of vintage automobile ownership. 7. 1929 Ford Roadster Model A. Price, $17,900. Located St. Louis, Missouri. This 1929 Ford Roadster Model A is an extraordinary custom-built hot rod that showcases creativity, craftsmanship, and performance. Built using a steel Model A body combined with a 1934-style fiberglass front clip, the car delivers a distinctive appearance that blends traditional hot rod styling with modern custom touches. Every aspect of the build reflects attention to detail and a passion for classic American performance vehicles. Power comes from a Chevrolet 327 V8 engine equipped with Weber carburetors and Zoomy headers, providing an aggressive sound and strong performance. A 4-speed manual transmission adds driver involvement and enhances the authentic hot rod experience. The custom chassis features a modified frame, unique suspension setup, and race-inspired wheel and tire combination including rear cheater slicks. Inside, the vehicle features a custom red interior, custom dashboard, shortened steering column, and numerous handcrafted details. Additional highlights include a fluted rear hatch and extensive fabrication work throughout the build. The seller notes that nearly every component on the vehicle is custom. Although the car was disassembled during a major rebuild and transmission upgrade, all components are included. This project represents an outstanding opportunity for an enthusiast seeking a highly personalized hot rod with exceptional potential and unique character. 8. 1932 Ford Roadster Truck. Price, $21,500. Located Pecola, Oklahoma. This 1932 Ford Roadster truck is an award-winning rat rod that combines classic pickup styling with proven hot rod performance. Finished in black with a gray interior, the truck has been carefully built using quality aftermarket components while maintaining the aggressive appearance that makes traditional roadster pickups so desirable among enthusiasts. Power is provided by a dependable Chevrolet 350 crate engine paired with a rebuilt turbo 350 automatic transmission and a locker shifter. The custom aftermarket 1932 frame is complemented by an upgraded front suspension system featuring disc brakes for improved handling and stopping power. A 10-bolt rear axle and coilover shock setup contribute to the truck's comfortable ride and reliable road manners. The truck runs and drives very well and comes with a clean title. One of its most distinctive features is the professional pinstriping and artwork completed by renowned artist Dan Keyes, giving the vehicle additional personality and show-quality appeal. This roadster pickup has earned multiple awards, including the Hot Wheels Kids' Choice Award in recognition as Best Rat Rod. Whether displayed at shows, driven on weekend cruises, or added to a collection, this truck offers an outstanding combination of craftsmanship, performance, and individuality that continues to attract attention wherever it goes. 9. 1931 Ford Model A. Price, $43,000. Located Strafford, Missouri. This 1931 Ford Model A is a professionally built hot rod that combines classic Ford styling with modern performance, comfort, and drivability. Powered by a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch crate engine with approximately 1,500 miles since completion, the car delivers dependable performance through a TH350 3-speed automatic transmission and a durable Ford 9-inch rear end. The suspension system includes a 4-link setup with air ride technology, providing adjustable ride height and a comfortable driving experience. Up front, a split wishbone I-beam suspension enhances the traditional hot rod appearance while maintaining excellent road manners. 4-wheel disc brakes offer confident stopping power for modern driving conditions. Additional features include a power sunroof, lake-style headers, Bluetooth-compatible audio system, dolphin gauges, aluminum radiator, locker shifter, and a pop-out front windshield. Orange LED accent lighting adds a custom touch that enhances the vehicle's appearance during evening events. Built by Van's Speed Shop in Rossville, Georgia, this hot rod demonstrates exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail. The black exterior and matching black interior create a timeless appearance that complements the car's performance-oriented design. It is a turnkey street rod ready for cruising, shows, and long-distance enjoyment. 10. 1931 Ford Model A5, Window Coupe Street Rod. Price, $39,900. Located Bella Vista, Arkansas. This 1931 Ford Model A5, Window Coupe Street Rod is an impressive all-steel classic that blends vintage Ford heritage with substantial modern performance upgrades. Titled as a genuine 1931 Ford, the vehicle retains the timeless styling that made the Model A one of the most recognizable automobiles in American automotive history while incorporating powerful mechanical enhancements. Under the hood sits a blown 355 cubic inch Chevrolet small block engine that delivers strong acceleration and an unmistakable supercharged sound. Power is sent through a newly installed TH400 automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear axle, creating a drivetrain combination respected throughout the hot rod community for durability and performance. The vehicle benefits from upgraded suspension components and numerous recently installed mechanical parts, helping ensure reliable operation and enjoyable road manners. The car starts easily, runs well, and drives confidently, making it suitable for both local cruising and extended road trips. Although it represents an older build, the paint and interior remain attractive and present well. Future owners may choose to perform additional cosmetic enhancements, but the car already offers a solid foundation. This all-steel street rod is a powerful, dependable, and highly desirable classic ready to be enjoyed immediately. 11. 1929 Ford Model A Pickup. Price, $11,000. Located Bloomingdale, Michigan. This 1929 Ford Model A pickup is a solid and highly desirable classic truck that offers an excellent opportunity for collectors, restorers, and vintage Ford enthusiasts. Finished in green with a gray interior, this historic pickup captures the rugged charm and simple design that made the Model A one of the most influential vehicles of its era. The truck remains a running and driving example, making it an attractive starting point for anyone seeking a restoration project with great potential. Equipped with a manual transmission, the pickup delivers an authentic driving experience that reflects the character of early American motoring. The vehicle has been preserved well enough to remain operational while still offering room for improvements and personalization. According to the seller, the truck is a former Kansas barn find, adding an interesting piece of history to its story. The body is described as solid and structurally sound, providing a strong foundation for restoration or continued enjoyment as a survivor vehicle. While some tender loving care is recommended, the truck represents a rare opportunity to acquire a genuine pre-war Ford pickup at an affordable price. Whether restored to factory specifications or customized into a traditional hot rod, this 1929 Ford Model A pickup offers timeless style, historical significance, and plenty of future potential for its next owner. 12. 1926 Model T Hot Rod. Price, $20,000. Located Trimble, Missouri. This 1926 Model T Hot Rod is a lightweight and entertaining street machine built for enthusiasts who appreciate classic Ford performance. Constructed as a driver rather than a trailer queen, this custom coupe delivers an exciting combination of traditional hot rod styling and dependable mechanical components. Built in 2015 on a speedway frame, the vehicle has been designed to provide years of enjoyable cruising while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of an early Ford hot rod. Power comes from a Ford 289 V8 engine equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor and paired with a C4 automatic transmission. The drivetrain is completed by a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring 4.10 gears, creating a setup that offers strong acceleration and excellent responsiveness. True to its description, the vehicle remains an all-Ford build, making it especially appealing to dedicated Ford enthusiasts. A hot rod is light, quick, and full of character. It runs and drives well at highway speeds while providing the raw and engaging experience that traditional hot rods are known for. The current owner has enjoyed the car and is now ready for a different project. With proven components, classic styling, and reliable performance, this 1926 Model T Hot Rod is ready to be driven, enjoyed, and appreciated by its next owner.